रोज एक सवाल।
सवाल सॉल्व करने के बाद वो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर देना। रोज सवाल का नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हें मेल बॉक्स में आ जाएगा। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन।
If p cube equal to q raised by 4 equal to r raised by 5 equal to s raised by 6, then the value of log p q r base s is equal to. This is a very simple question. See, what we have to do over here is, this is base is s and we have to convert pqr in terms of s. Then we can get this value very easily. This is the only concept which will be used here. So p cube is equal to s raised by 6. So p will be equal to s raised by 6 divided by 3, which is s square. या फिर हम क्यूब रूट कर सकते हैं दोनों साइड में, ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं। ठीक है, p is equal to s square. Similarly, we'll find the value of q in terms of s, which would be q raised by 4 is equal to s raised by 6. Okay, so powers में will divide by 4. Q is equal to s raised by 6 divided by 4, which is s raised by 3 by 2. Similarly, r is equal to s raised by 6 by 5. इन दोनों के इक्वेट कर दिया हमने। ओके, अब नाउ हमें वैल्यू किस चीज का फाइंड करना था, log of p q r base s. So we are substituting the values of p, q and r in terms of s. So we have got this, which becomes log of s raised by 47 divided by 10. So the answer comes out to be 47 divided by 10 into log s base s, which would be 1. So option A is the correct answer.
All right.